Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to install the Windows Server 2016 Datacenter on VMware Workstation Pro version 15, and we are going to install the version of Windows which have the graphic user interface. Okay, and we need to download the ISO file of the Windows Server 2016 Datacenter version from the internet. You can open browser and access to the Microsoft download site, and after that you find the necessary file for the Windows Server. Okay, and open the VMware Workstation tool and the version is 15 Pro version. Okay, and click on File, New VMware to create a new virtual machine for installing the Windows. And here we have two options to do the configuration for the server: the typical and the custom option. Yeah, and I select the typical recommend option, and here we select the location to install the Windows, and I will install the operating system later, and it will install with blank hard disk. Next button. Okay, on guest operating system here I have to select the version of Windows I want to be installed. I select the Windows Server 2016. Next button. Okay, so here on this step you provide the virtual machine name for the VMware. Okay, you can also change the location to save the file. Hit on next button. On this step you have to specify the disk capacity which will be using to install the Windows there. By default it will target is 60 GB. We have two options, this is single or multiple file. I left it by default. Click on next, and this is the default configuration information targeted by the VMware tool. Okay, you can click on customize hardware button here to do some customization. You can increase or decrease the memory and also processor, number of processor and number of core per processor. Okay, after that click on close button here to finish installation. Click on finish button to create new virtual machine. Okay, so now here the virtual machine has been created, and you can see all of the information in device. Click on edit virtual machine setting, hyperlink here if you want to update some configuration. I select the CD and DVD. So now here, because we are going to install the Windows from the ISO file, so I will copy the path of the ISO file and change the option to the ISO image file. Pro button. Paste the path of the ISO file. Select it. Open. Hit on open button. Okay, OK button. Yes, we finished the configuration, and now we need to start the Windows. I mean start the server. Okay, you need to press any keyword on the keyboard in order to install the Windows. Otherwise, if you don't hit any keyboard keywords on the keyboard, it will display some the error message unsuccessful. Okay, you can open the full screen mode for the virtual machine, and if you want to exit this full screen mode, you can press the Control and Alt button at the same time. Okay. Okay, so on this step I will select by default the language, the time and keyboard input. Click on Install Now button. Yes, and here I'm going to select the version of Windows Server Datacenter, and we have two versions: Datacenter Early and the Datacenter with the desktop experience. Datacenter Early it does not have the graphic user interface. Yeah, so the desktop experience will be support for the graphic user interface. Okay, this is the license and term. You have the time, you should read it to understand the term and condition. Next button here, and on this step we have two options to select for installation. The first one is upgrade, the second one is custom. And if you want to select the upgrade, mean you already have the Windows installed on the PC. You want to be upgrade. Otherwise, you select the custom to install a new version of the Windows for the new PC. Select this you want to be installed the Windows. Okay. After that, we need to wait some minutes for the copying and installation for the Windows on this VMware. Yes, we need to restart Windows to finish installation of the Windows. Yeah. On this customize setting, you have to provide the password for admin account, and here you need to provide the password with complexity. Otherwise, you cannot pass this step. Okay. Here, so here, this is the welcome screen. You have to press the Ctrl and Delete to unlock this. See it on the menus. And after that, provide the account as of the password for admin account you have just created before. Okay. It needs to take some second to create the profile for the first login to the Windows. Okay, and then this is the default desktop of the Windows Server 2016 Datacenter. Yes, you click on the button here to allow your PC connect and share the network with other PC in the same network. Okay, and here you can see for now the resolution of the screen it is not fully displaying, and I try to adjust this. Okay, custom the display, click on advanced display setting, and you see here you change the resolution to the better one. Outline button here. Okay, so here the screen will be broken. That means you need to install the driver for the Windows VMware on the menu and install the VMware tool. When we install the VMware tool for this virtual machine, that means it will automatically download the driver for this Windows. After you click on install the VMware tool, you can also see it in the this PC and in the DVDs. Okay, and follow the step here to install the VMware tool setup. It will be easy, very easy. Okay, and after that, after the driver is finished the installation, you can see the screen it is displaying fully. Click on the button here to do some restart for the new change applied to this PC. Okay. Okay, it seems working fine. Okay, click on the refresh button. Okay, so now I will shut down this virtual machine. And okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to install the Windows Server 2016 on your VMware Workstation Pro version 15. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you later.